Good day everyone, my name is Rubianti Manaro. I'm going to perform about body measure. We have three types: horizontal, vertical, and circumference. First is horizontal, shoulder to shoulder, bones to bones. (11 inches). Next is shoulder to neck. 5 inch. Next is bust to bust, nipple to nipple. 7 inch. Next is upper bust, armpit to armpit. 12 inch. Next is full back. I'm sorry. Next is lower bust. (12 inches). Next is full back. 10 inches. Then vertical, shoulder to bust. 9 inches. Next is front shoulder to waist. 15 inches. Next is down center back. 14.5 inches. Next is slab length. From here, dito tayo. Then, bend nyo bend. 20 inch. Next is length of pants. Hanggang sa ankle. Above of ankle. 30 inch. Next is crunch or rest. Zipper lang siya talaga. Purpose niya is zipper. So, 5.4. Next is circumferential. First is bust.